Hello everyone, I have come here again with another video, and this video will be talking about the inherent step up or step down transformer connection of a three-phase transformer. Means what? You don't have to think about the turns ratio, but it can actually step up inherently. If the turns ratio of the primary and the secondary windings are same also, then also we'll be able to get a step up effect or a step down effect for the transformer voltages. Okay, so that I will be discussing, and it will be very much interesting. That will be dependent, this topic is totally dependent upon the star delta connection of the three-phase transformers. Means what? We are having several choices. Like in case of a three-phase transformer, what we have star-star connection, we have star-delta connection, we have delta star connection, we have delta delta connections. But in between, among these four connections, this star star connection and star delta connections is not my topic today, because they are having no inherent step up or step down properties. Okay, but except these two, here delta star and star delta, they are having some inherent qualities for actually stepping up or stepping down the voltages. So we will be discussing this topic with these two transformers. Okay, say for first, if we take a star delta transformer, what will happen? Say my star side is like this. Okay, and my delta, which is connected there, is looking like this. Now what we know, actually the transformation ratio in case of these three-phase transformers, they actually depend on the phase voltages. Phase voltages transformation ratio is there to actually step up effect or the step down effect. Means what? Whenever this phase voltage of this primary winding, and if we are saying that the input is from this side, and the phase voltage of the secondary winding, they are actually proportional with the transformation ratio itself. Means V phase 1 and by V phase 2 will be equals to N1 by N2. But the fact is that in this case we have taken that the turns ratio of these two transformers are actually same, that is N and N. So what is going to happen? Say we are applying a voltage of V across the line of the star connected part, okay, the primary winding, we can say. So what will be the phase voltage here? Then it is the line voltage. In case of star, we know that it will be stepped down to the phase by a factor of √3. Then this will be my phase voltage for the star connection. And this voltage will be transferred to the phase of this voltage. So what will be the phase voltage of this? That will be VL by √3. And according to this phenomena, this formula, what we can say, the output voltage, the output phase voltage, that will be equals to VL by √3. And what was the input voltage? That was VL. Means what we are getting? The input voltage is VL, the output voltage is VL by √3. So this is giving us an inherent step down effect on the output terminal. But the turns ratio are same. So this is the fact, this is the fun. We are using the same transformer with the same number of turns in both the sides, but we are actually stepping down the voltage. Again, if we take just the opposite case, if we are having this delta connection in my primary side, the input side, and the star connection in the output side, what will happen? Say this is my configuration. Now what I am going to do, I am going to apply a line voltage of VL here. Okay, so this VL, in case of delta, what we know, line voltage and phase voltage, they are same. So this phase voltage, that is V phase 1, that is equal to VL in this case. This phase voltage will be transferred here at the phase Means what? V phase 2 will be equals to V phase 1, as the number of turns are same here. So then it will be VL also. Now if this is VL, so what is the line voltage formula for this? Is VL actually, this is the phase voltage of the delta star connection. So what is the line voltage of the star connected transformer part? That will be V phase 2 into root 3. Means what? This VL will be here and that will be multiplied with root 3. What we are getting? Input voltage was VL and the output voltage is now VL into root 3. Means the voltage is stepped up by root 3 times. This is the inherent step up action of this kind of transformer connection. So if you are having same number of turns, then also in case of 3-phase transformer, you can actually have a step up or step down effect in your output terminals. This was very interesting topic. I guess you guys have fun in this topic. I will be posting this kind of videos really soon enough. If you are willing to stay with me, you will get to know a lot of things. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Then you will be staying with me. Thank you for watching this.